Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to report a player in Clash Royale. Now the first thing is, where exactly can we get Clash Royale application? You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install the application. Now, after download, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be asked to play a demo tournament that's more like a training for you. And once you're done with that first phase of the tournament, it's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to report a player in Clash Royale. So from this home screen, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this 3 horizontal lines. Click on that. In here you have Battle Log, Leaderboards, TV Royale, Training Camp, Tournaments, and it's a Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on Settings. So from these settings, you have those options: Audio, English, Change Name, More Settings, Help and Support, Privacy, Parents Guide, Terms of Service. So go ahead and click on Help and Support. And it takes you here. So the next thing you're going to have to click on is Safe and Fair Play. So click on that, and now you have account penalties, code of conduct, taking action, info parents. When I click on taking action, then for this taking action, you see this, the word filter, why it is and why we use it, and you have reported disruptive behavior. Now click on this reporting disruptive behavior, and you have this guide, step-by-step guide to show you how you can report a player. And so you can report disruptive chat messages in our games. Just tap the chat message and tap report. So if you have a message already, just go ahead and tap the chat message and tap report. And in some of your games, you can also report disruptive player names. Do this by going to the player's profile. So click on the player's profile and tap in the disruptive player name. Click on the player name and then tap report. Then that's it. So thank you for helping us keep Supercell games safe and fair. So if you want to report a message, tap the chat message and tap report. And if you want to report the player, do this by going to the player's profile, tap the disruptive player's name, and then tap report. And that's going to be it. Then you'll be able to report that player. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.